What you don't want to do, and I'll challenge you, don't talk about what you do. Don't talk about your job title, anything like that. Just make assumptions about people. Sometimes people will say something to me, and I'll say, I love the way you articulate your thoughts. And
Oh, I've never heard that before.
it's a very unique kind of compliment. You see, like it just injects a little bit of curiosity, and then you go home and remember that. Can you give them this positive emotion when you meet them? I promise you, your chances will be much higher than everyone else who's just saying,
Hey, I'm a data architect and I do XYZ.
they will be immediately forgotten. So think about opportunities to make people feel better when you talk.